This is an insider secret on how to import cars from Copart USA to Nigeria without stressing out. If you're seeing this, you're probably thinking about importing a car from the US, specifically from Copart USA. Maybe you've heard that it's a great way to get highly graded, accidented Tokunbo cars for way less than the amount they're being fixed and sold for here in Nigeria. But the process is overwhelming, right? There's so much jargon, hidden fees, confusing auctions, and so many things to figure out on your own. Trust me, I totally get it. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify the entire process from start to finish and do it all by yourself? Yes, that's right. No middlemen, no help from relatives abroad, no brokers, no confusing paperwork. You could be importing cars from Copart USA like how that car dealer you admire on Instagram or on your street does. You'll be saving money and avoiding the stress that comes with it. Let me walk you through it. I know the struggle. You start browsing Copart and you're hit with a ton of terms like clear title, salvage title, buy now, and auction fees. Then there's the stress of bidding. You're constantly second-guessing if you're making the right decision or overbidding, worried you'll end up with a car that's way more expensive than you intended. Then there's the hidden fees, agent fees, auction fees, shipping costs, clearing costs at the port when the car arrives. The list goes on and on. It feels like the process is designed to be complicated and frustrating. You're not sure what to pay first, what's included, or what's going to pop up next. And once you win the auction, now what? How do you even get the car to Nigeria safely? How do you clear it through customs? How do you avoid all the ridiculous charges and delays? The entire process just feels overwhelming, doesn't it? But here's the good news. There's a better way. You don't have to rely on a middleman, a broker, or a relative abroad anymore. You don't have to go through this stressful journey alone. There's a simple, step-by-step way to import any highly graded, accidented Tokunbo car from Copart USA all by yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Allow me to introduce you to the base Accidented Secret Insider Car Import Manual, a complete video course training designed to walk you through every single step of importing cars from Copart USA to Nigeria. This isn't some generic video course training guide. This is the exact system used by successful Nigerian car dealers who import cars from Copart regularly, and now you can use it too. Here's what you'll get with my course. Broken down into easy-to-follow videos that show you exactly what to do at every stage of the process. In video 1, I'll show you the best way to register and get access to special auction deals, even if you're not a licensed car dealer. And no, I'm not talking about the no license required category. In video 2, you'll learn the best way to easily filter through over 3 million cars on Copart and find highly graded accidented Tokunbo cars at very low prices. I'll teach you exactly what to look for. If you've been wondering how to make your deposit, bid, or buy now payment in Naira for any car you choose on Copart, then I've got you covered with the exact steps in video 3. In video 4, I'll show you how to quickly ship your car from the US to Nigeria and make your payment in Naira for shipping. You'll know exactly how to get your car to Nigeria within 5 to 7 weeks using reliable US shipping lines. Customs clearance doesn't have to be a nightmare. That's why in video 5, I'll walk you through the exact process to avoid demurrage charges or surprise debit notes and get your car cleared smoothly. In video 6, I'll take you through a real example where we import and repair a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C304 using both the bid and buy now features on Copart. You'll see how it's done, step by step. In video 7, you'll learn how to refurbish and fix your newly imported car, plus some additional tips to make sure everything goes as smoothly as possible. Why this video course training is a game changer. I've been where you are, struggling with all the confusion and uncertainty. That's why I created this course, to give you the clarity, confidence, and tools you need to import cars on your own. No more relying on brokers, relatives abroad, or middlemen. You'll have the insider knowledge of successful car dealers at your fingertips, guiding you through every single stage of the process, from bidding to shipping to repairs. Imagine the satisfaction of doing it all by yourself, saving money and walking away with your dream car for less than the actual amount they sell it for here in Nigeria. Here are some additional bonuses that come with the video course training. Bonus 1. The best way to accurately estimate the landing cost for any highly graded, accidented Tokunbo car of your choice, that is, the import, shipping, clearing, and repair costs, even before you plan to import it from Copart USA car auction to Nigeria, plus a comprehensive contact list of the professional, accidented car repairers used by successful Nigerian car dealers. Bonus 2, a private WhatsApp support group for easy guidance by me and other experienced Tokunbo car importers in Nigeria. Bonus 3, a private WhatsApp group for regular updates on the latest import duty and clearing charges so you can make accurate landing cost estimates and also avoid overpaying for any fee at the port. Bonus 4, an exclusive 98% max bid strategy WhatsApp group so you'll always emerge as the highest bidder for any car of your choice on Copart, at least 98% of the time. Bonus 5, Copart USA auction car titles you should import to Nigeria and the ones you shouldn't. Bonus 6, Copart USA auction car damage codes and their real meanings. Bonus 7, WhatsApp contacts of 3 of the most reliable clearing agents I know. Bonus 8, Copart USA auction vehicle conditions report and their real meanings and much more. Ready to take action? Then don't let the complexities of Copart scare you away from importing the car of your dreams or building your car importation business. Check out the link attached to this video or chat up the WhatsApp number on your screen to get started with video 1 and learn how to register on Copart the right way. You'll get full access to all the lessons you need to import your own car without the stress, confusion, or unnecessary fees. Let's get started, and I'll help you make your car importation journey easier, more affordable, and completely self-sufficient. Check out the link attached to this video or chat up the WhatsApp number on your screen and take the first step today.